Good afternoon, it's Porky here, Northwest Alabama, working on the Lionel Christmas layout. I run 3 trains. I wanted to tell you about a certain problem that we have with Lionel trains is sometimes the sound gets working. The announcements and the chuff and the bells and whistles will quit working on these expensive trains. And if you're not the type of person that tinkers, you're not going to want to take the train apart. So they suggested to me that I get a sugar cube Bluetooth speaker right here, that white speaker. And as you may be able to hear, I'm Bluetoothing YouTube sound effects of train sounds on there. So that is a kind of a fix, and you can bring up on YouTube any number of ambient train sounds, whistles. You just have to be careful not to have diesel sounds if you don't have diesel trains. So anyway, every year about this time, it takes me a while to get them all cranked up for people to start coming by. I wanted to tell you about that little fix. And it's pretty loud little speaker. And Bluetooth off of your phone. Y'all have a blessed day.